Evidence number 3, do's and don'ts during an earthquake. Do's. If an earthquake occurs, I will take cover under a stable table or other piece of furniture.
If an earthquake occurs, I will stay away from windows and mirrors.
If an earthquake occurs and I am in a moving vehicle, I will stop immediately.
If an earthquake occurs, it will stay inside the house until the checking stops.
If an earthquake occurs, I will always be alert to aftershocks that may occur. Don't.
If an earthquake happens, I won't be scared. It must stay calm.
If an earthquake happens, I won't take the elevator.
If an earthquake occurs, I will not run for doors or exits.
If an earthquake occurs, I will not run or wander the street because there may be unstable buildings.
If an earthquake occurs, I will not use the phone lines to call because it may interfere with important communication.
Created using Powtoon.